I have 5 amazing tips to share with you in this video that will actually skyrocket your views. And trust me, if you implement all those things I'm going to mention in this video, you are going to see a massive views on your YouTube channel and growth as well. Hi small YouTuber, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to my channel, if you are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Afio. Then this Afitech Digital channel. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I bring a new video like this. Then I want you to watch this video to the very end. Please don't skip any part of this video. Watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I've got some amazing tips for you apart from these 5 amazing one I had already. So if it's news, you lose. Okay, so number one thing that will actually make you to have more views on your channel, and that will actually make you to recommend your video to more people, is you adding end screen to your video. We all know what an end screen is all about. I made a video on this channel on how you can actually add end screen to your video. End screen plays a vital role in this YouTube street, guys, because if a viewers get to watch your video to the very end and see the video you suggested for them to watch after watching that your video, it will keep them watching more of your video than just watching one of your video and they just zoom off or another video now pops up. By the time they watch that your video to the very end and they see those videos that you like, those your end screen video there, it will actually prompt them to click to watch your video because they actually love your content. So if you are still having low views, you need to consider adding an end screen to your video. You could add a playlist to your video. You could add a single video to the main video they are watching, and you can also add a subscribe button. When the person clicks on that subscribe button, it will actually take the person to your channel, and if the person hasn't subscribed, the person is going to subscribe to that your channel. So what I want you to do now is, from now henceforth, when you get to be uploading videos on your YouTube channel, please don't hesitate, like don't forget to add end screen to your video. About this end screen, I made a tutorial on it. Please do well to watch that video. Watch that video and you actually know how to add an end screen to your video. The second tips I want to talk to you about is called card. How you can actually add card to your video. Okay, cards are those small little stuff that shows at the top of every video. Do you understand? Maybe if you are watching a very particular video, those video that is being suggested by the owner of the video, it will actually help YouTube to recommend this video to more viewers, because by the time you are watching this very particular video now, and there are some of my videos that I've brought, like I put out there on my cards. Do you understand? I'm suggesting those videos there for you to actually click on them to watch. By the time you are done watching this one, you actually want to like go back, click on any of those cards. If you see any topic that looks amazing that you actually want to watch, you actually want to click on them to watch. And when you add card to your video, it will actually make you to keep on suggesting this video to more viewers, to more people to watch. If you don't know how to add card to your video, you can actually leave that in the comment section, and I'm going to make a video on that just for you. Okay, so if you're having low views, you need to like consider these things I'm telling you in this video. Guys, I've tried it and it has worked out for me. Like, I can't just put a camera and start talking because I actually want to talk or because I actually want to film. If I try something and it has worked, I bring it to the table, I bring it to you guys for you guys to also try it out. All right, so another thing that actually helped me to like skyrocket my views is playlist. Playlist has a crucial role in this YouTube street, guys. In this playlist, you get to be segmenting your videos to the categories they actually belong to. Okay, let's say for instance, in my YouTube channel, in this channel actually, I talk everything about making money online. I share tips on how you can edit your video like a pro. Okay, I make tutorial video on how you can actually grow your social media the right way. Like, I share tips and tricks or tutorial that can actually help you to grow your channel or to grow your social media, be it Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So will you just expect me to be making this video because they have their own different? Making money online is a different something. Tutorial video about social media is a different niche. Video editing is actually a different niche. Okay, will you actually want me to like just be bombarding this video together? You will go to my channel, you don't even know where to start from, you don't even know where to click from, you don't even know which of my video to watch first, or no, now it's actually not organized. So if you don't know how to create a playlist and arrange your video in order, like in the category they belong to, let me know about that in the comment section. With playlist, it helps you to like put your video in places. I have playlists for my YouTube videos. If you click on that playlist, every video you are going to see there is about YouTube. I have playlists on Facebook video. If you click there, any video there is about Facebook tutorial. Same with TikTok, same with Instagram, same with video editing, my unboxing, editing of video. Same with Affitech Digital. Maybe when I get to be talking about how to get cheap data, all those stuff like that, I just put them in one category, in one playlist called Affitech Digital. Do you understand? It helps your channel to look organized. When people go there, they know what they want. They know the kind of video they want to watch. If you click on that my YouTube video, you'll see a lot of video from there. One good thing about playlists is that when maybe let's assume for an instance you want to share your video link, all right, it's actually advisable for me to share the playlist I'm going to put this video than for me to share only this video. Do you know why? Because when you share the playlist to people, to your friends, to your social media platform, whenever they are done watching that video, another videos you'll still keep on coming up. Do you understand? That's one good thing about playlist. It will help the person to like keep on watching your videos instead of another content creator video to actually come up, or instead of another creator video to actually come up. The person will keep on watching your video, will keep on diluting your content, watching your content. Do you understand? So it's actually helpful, and I've tried it. You can check my channel, you see that yourself. So another thing that can actually help you to get more views is shorts. I know that a lot of persons are talking about how short is hurting channels, how short can hurt your channel, how short can do this, how short can do that, this, that. See, I've got to understand something on this YouTube street, that what works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B. You can actually be posting short because whenever you upload short, you get to add your related video to that short. Okay, let's say for instance, I want to take some clip of this video and post it as my short. I'll just crop it to that interesting part that will actually like attract my viewers to watch more of the video and upload it as my short. And what will now happen if I upload the short? After I've uploaded that short, that place that said related content, click on it, and I'm going to add the full video, which is this full video now. You see where to select from your main video. You now let that related video be based on the parts of the clips you posted. Don't bring another video entirely. I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying. Bring part of this video. If I'm posting part of this video as short, that related video should be full of this video. Because when they get to watch and they love the shorts while they're watching, they love the content already. They want to like watch the full video. They want to know how this video is so amazing. I want to learn more. I want to know more about it. They want to click on it to watch. Before you know, they get to watch your video and your views increased. So this is actually helpful and is really amazing. The last one I want to talk about is your video description. Make sure you put links to your other video in the description. That's the description has over how many characters. It can contain how many characters or words. If you put in your video description what your video is all about, you put links to your other social media. You also put links to your related video. You can put links to your single video, the link to your playlist, and you put it out there. When someone watching the video, if they go to your description, they'll see all those videos out there. They might want to click on it to watch. It actually helps to increase your views if you don't know. So guys, if you have not been doing all those things, you really need to start implementing it like right now. You really need to do. It's actually helpful. It's actually nice. It's actually good. Start implementing them right away. And trust me, you are going to see a massive views, a massive growth on your YouTube channel. And I said for those that are actually going to watch this video to the very end, that I have a bonus tips for you. I can't promise and I don't redeem my promise. The bonus tips I have for you in this video is that you need to have multiple channels, multiple accounts. I actually made a video on how you can create multiple accounts with one Gmail address. Have this multiple account so that whenever you are done uploading video on your YouTube, you get to be switching account to your other account. Watch that video. In fact, watch that your video first. Even if you don't want to listen to what you are watching, even if you don't want to listen to yourself, just watch it. Take the volume down to 0. Watch it. Leave a good comment. Switch account. Watch. Then leave a good comment. Then switch back to your main account. Reply to those comments, and you are good to go with no stress. You are just very good to go. Yeah. So that's the bonus tips for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do well to like this video, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Please guys, I'm begging you guys. So subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.